Apple Intelligence is here, and it's making waves in the AI space. But is it really worth the hype? Today I'm diving into what Apple's AI can do, the good, the bad, and everything in between. Apple Intelligence integrates seamlessly across Apple's ecosystem, enhancing user experience by providing smart suggestions, automating tasks, and streamlining workflows. Whether you're using it on your iPhone, iPad, or Mac, the AI aims to make daily tasks smoother and more intuitive. What stands out immediately is how well it understands user preferences, learning from your habits to deliver tailored recommendations. For instance, it can suggest the best time to schedule a meeting based on your calendar and past behaviors. However, while the functionality feels robust, there are still aspects that seem a bit vague. For example, the specifics on how it gathers and processes data aren't entirely transparent, which might raise some eyebrows regarding privacy. The intended audience appears to be anyone already embedded in the Apple ecosystem, but casual users might not find it as beneficial without deeper integration into their daily routines. Let's break down the pros and cons. On the plus side, Apple Intelligence is user-friendly and provides a level of personalization that can genuinely enhance productivity, particularly for those already using multiple Apple devices. The integration is smooth and it feels like a natural extension of the Apple experience. However, there are some drawbacks. Transparency around data usage is a concern for many, especially with privacy being a hot topic. Additionally, not all users may find it necessary. Those who prefer manual control over their devices may feel overwhelmed or even frustrated by the AI's suggestions. Pricing also remains unclear. If you're not already invested in Apple products, the cost to fully utilize this AI might not justify the benefits. In conclusion, if you're deep into the Apple ecosystem, Apple Intelligence could be a game changer for your productivity. But if you're looking for a standalone AI tool or prioritize privacy, you might want to explore alternatives. It's worth trying, but approach with a critical eye on how it fits into your lifestyle.